In this video, we'll learn about Python's named tuple type. The term tuple or tuple is common in computer science and mathematics, and it represents a finite, ordered list of elements. Python's named tuple is called named tuple because it gives a name to each of the ordered elements so that we can access the elements by name. To use the named tuple type, we have to import it. And let me show you the syntax for using a named tuple. To create a new type, named type name, we would say type name equals named tuple. And then I repeat the type name as a string, followed by a list that contains the fields. Each field, or each of the ordered elements, is created by putting in brackets the name of the field as a string, then a comma, and then its type, where the type might be int, or string, or some other type. To add another field, I add a comma, and then another field in parentheses. You don't have to put it on another line. I just find it looks a little bit neater there. So here we've created a new type, named type name, that is a named tuple and has 3 fields. Let's see a concrete example. Maybe we want to create a type that can represent a course. So we'd say course equals named tuple. I repeat the type name as a string, and then inside my square brackets, which makes a list, I list the fields. Perhaps I want to list the instructor name. That would be a string. The department, perhaps as a string. The course code, like 103 or 101 or 200, that would be an int. And the title of the course as a string. Here we've created a new type named course. It has 4 fields. The fields are named instructor name, department, code, and title. And we can see that each of those fields has a type. Instructor name has to be a string, department has to be a string, code has to be an int, and title has to be a string. Here's an example of a course type. This creates a course with the instructor name, Maryam Mirzakhani, the department, Math, course code 101, and title, Geometry. Now I can use the names of the named tuple to access those fields. So for example, if I wanted to access the name, the instructor name, I could type the name of my example, which is Math 101, dot instructor name, spelled exactly as it is when I defined my named tuple. And if I run this, remember we'll see the output from the last line. So that's how we access a value stored in a particular field. I could do the same thing to access the course code. And of course I could access the other fields that way as well.